Welcome back to Teacher Law class, and this is a discussion for booklet number 2, Algebra the King Cobras. And now we're discussing page number 8, question number 10. Okay, this is not a hard question, although it gives you 4 marks, but I need to discuss this because your little steps that in algebra, if you have little steps that you're wrong or incorrect, it would actually result in the whole thing wrong, especially in this case. So I need to specially point out some of the mistakes you might make in solving this question. Okay, so let's try to dive in and understand this question. So now here says that Jaja had a 19A plus 3 stems. Let me just write down first. I have Jaja and I have 19A plus 3 stems. And now here continues says that Kathy had 8A fewer stems than Jaja. Okay, so let me just write here. I have Kathy. I have 8A fewer than this. So what I need to do is 19A plus 3. Then I need to minus 8A. Why minus? Because I have fewer, right? So now, the same thing here. 19A I can't plus with 3, but I know I can minus with 8A. So 19A minus 8A, I know is 11A plus 3. Okay, and let's move on. Bernice, now I have Bernice here. Now this Bernice had 3A minus 2 more stems than Kathy. Oops, now I have 3A minus 2 more stems, basically than Kathy. So I know Kathy have 11A plus 3. And I know that I have 3A minus 2 more. I need to plus 3A minus 2. Okay? So now this one we can open parentheses as they have nothing. So plus 3 plus 3A minus 2. And the same thing again, I can plus with the like terms. 11A I can plus with 3A. There's 14A. And 3 we can minus with 2. And there's basically plus 1. And here I know that what? I know here says that 3 girls had a total of 1151 stems. Basically I know that this plus this plus this will give me what? Will give me 1151. And now they are asking how many stems did Jaja have? Okay, so basically means that I need to find out what is the value of A. Then I need to put in the value of A into 19A plus 3 to find out how many stems did Jaja have. So let me just form the equation here. 19A plus 3 plus 11A plus 3 plus 14A plus 1, and that's equal to 1151. As you know, well, we have been practicing, we need to put the allied terms together. You can actually arrange it, no worries. Or you actually can straight away add it together. So 19 plus 11A plus 14A, that's equal to 1. Equal to 44A, okay? 44A. And we need to look at the rest of the numbers here. I have plus 3, I have plus 3, I have plus 1. So I know it's plus 7. So plus 7 is equal to 1151. And as I know, I need to find what is A first. So I need to remove all the numbers. So I need to have this plus 7 to move another side to become minus 7. So it will become 44A minus equal to 1151 minus 7. And it will be equivalent to, if you press on your calculator, is 1144. And what I need to do is the same thing. This 44A, this 44, I need to move to that side. This is multiplication. That's why if I move to that, I need to divide by 44. So 1144 divided by 44, that's equal to, press on calculator, you can find out that it's actually equal to 26. Now the steps that we are doing here is called solving, right? Okay. So the next step is we found the value of A. Now we need to put it inside and find how many Jaja did Jaja have. So let me just put it here. Jaja have 19A plus 3. So what I need to do is I put in A. I know A value is 26. And I know that this is a 19 times A. So here will be 19 times 26. Then plus 3. So get your calculator times, then plus, and you get a final answer is 497. And that's the answer, basically. Okay. Before I stop here, let me just quickly let you know some of the things here. The question here have 4 marks. Just to let you know that, because you notice that what we are doing here, or what we are doing here are all simplifying or simplification, okay, or reducing. What we're doing here is we are solving, and what we are doing here is evaluating. So that means that this question actually combine all the skills that we have to solve this. Because if you notice, what we have learned is simplifying, evaluating, and solving. That's why this question actually is interesting, that it combines everything inside here. But I need to point out one thing again here, just in under beneath this part. Here says that 11a plus 3 plus 3a minus 2, and you notice that, teacher, why need to put the parenthesis, whereas it actually have the same thing in your next step? Because actually, I just want to let you know that if because here say Bernice have 3a minus 2 more, right? If the question here appears to be less, then the parenthesis will take a big role in deciding this. Let me just show you. If the question here say less, as here become less, then become minus here, it will become what? It will become like this. Look at it. It will become 11a plus 3 times in, again the same thing, negative, positive, it will become negative. Negative, positive, it will become negative. Can you see the difference? Because this question is being very kind to you, they say more than. But when the question comes to become less than, then here is negative. Can you see the whole thing now is become different, right? If you don't put parentheses, probably you'll be doing something like this, negative 3a plus 2. Can you see the difference? One is negative 2, one is plus 2, or minus 2, or plus 2. And you need to know that if this is the case, if the question appears to be less than this is the correct one, and this is definitely the wrong one. Okay? So I want to specially point out this point for this question. Okay? Anyway, if the question doesn't have less than in this case, then everything here, what you do is correct. Okay? So I hope you learned something, and just be very, very careful with parentheses. Okay? That's why I'm keep on mentioning about this parentheses. Thank you, and see you. Bye-bye.